Auckland Turunui. Morgs, Glenn Jackson has brought a settled team to Brisbane with one big in.
Yes, settled and motivated, Sean. Good evening. Hetet, Ikanavera, the skipper, and Tawaki up front. Masake Vote and Isoa Nasila Silla at lock. Atonia Wanga excellent in the back row alongside Motikiai Murray. Kitioni Salawa is there as well. They come here with real aspirations to have an exploit. Basalala and Armstrong Ravula at 9 and 10 have so much responsibility. Recruit and Longgunny Masi avec Ravatamanda in the back three. Summer Vondre at 12 will be hugely important with Marcy.
Yeah, and on the bench, although there's some real firepower on the bench for Glenn Jackson. Kuravoli, the live wire reserve scrum half. Thanakai Vada is a sledgehammer off the base of the scrum. Tamani asks questions with every carry, and Penny Ravai gets a chance to take on his former side as well. So that's how the underdogs look tonight, looking to create and cause that upset win against these men who are heavily favoured tonight. Tim Horan.
Great opportunity for Les Kiss and his Queensland men. As James Horwin mentioned pre-game, it's all about momentum for the Reds going into a finals appearance in Christchurch next Friday. Richie Asiata's been in great form at number 2. Cannon as well in the locking position. Joe Bryle playing the best footy of his career, jersey number 6. Fraser McRae, of course, at 7. Harry Wilson, after his first game back in a long time last week against the Hurricanes, was superb. It's another opportunity for the number 8 to put a performance in here tonight at Suncorp Stadium. And then take McDermott at scrum half, and that combination between him and Tom Liner. Liner kicking at 88% at the moment, so important coming into finals footy for him. Hanapai Sami, and of course Josh Fluke, the number 13 jersey, back after injuring his hamstring in round 3. That's so long ago over in Perth. Campbell at fullback. So it's an opportunity for this back line to show something coming into next Friday night, surely.
Yeah, and it'll be interesting to see how much game time that the reserves get tonight as well. If they can lock it up early, we may see these men earlier than anticipated. Downgunu goes up against Fijian Drua. The Fijian-born Filippo Downgunu. Blythe was big off the bench last weekend. Jeffrey To'omanga Allen looking to round out a big week, man, after re-signing with the Reds and looking to get big minutes tonight in their last home game of 2025.
Not enough consistency throughout the season for them to see them in finals, but remembering less than a month ago, a win against the Reds in Fiji at the death.
A few kookaburras on there, Timmy, in the design as well.
He's done a great job.
Nod to Ballymore, and the kookaburras sit on the post of Ballymore.
Lovely try and knock them off the crossbar at times in between training sessions.
Across the islands in Fiji as well. Hope you enjoy your men's final run around the field in 2025. Can they create an upset here against Queensland? Up to Hetet, who drives it on strongly. And now the grubber pass. They're not often seen grubber pass. Across the face of the post, now a penalty. And the errors compound there
I believe you're already on the ground.
The Drua.
Dangerous tackle. It's met the yellow card threshold. Off field of view.
He wanted a quick clean out because he thought that...
Par for the course, unfortunately, for the Drua this year. They get close, they just haven't been able to finish off. Now it's taken down by Queensland.
Let's go,
McDermott pins it away in the direction there of Smith. Happy to give Ryan a chance here to put the chase on. He brings it down and shields it back for McWright. Good work from Ryan there. Liner. Wilson tips it on. Liner. So they've got the one-man advantage here, and Liner looks to exploit it. Anderson's out wide. Campbell into the line. Now it's there for Lockie Anderson.
There it is, the first try of the match, and it goes to the Queensland Reds. Tom Liner slices through.
Richie Asiata one away. It's another pick and go. Surely now, Queensland. There's no one for Fiji far side. Now they scramble. They drive it in tight. Who's got it? Is it Anderson with 2? Oh, yes, it is. Good hands. Cannon down for McDermott. He goes wide to the heavily strapped Paisami. Asiata with another strong charge. Here they come, creating space down the right again. They're having a party on that side. Anderson has to go back for it. Anderson for 3 inside 22. Lockie's got a hattie.
Oh, how good is that by the Queensland Reds?
It's relentless. Smith fighting for the line. He's inches away. Now Jock Campbell's in the thick of it. Cannon's over. That was Ryan bringing it back. He got to halfway. And again, they're giving Anderson a chance wide out. That's off the shoulder. This might just be play on. Toe to head. Oh, it's an awful bounce. Fraser McRae can't bring it in. Surely yes. And it's Summer Vondre.
Cool. So, boys, no try, knock on, scrum, white ball.
Wilson goes to McDermott. McDermott out the back lineup. Kicks crossfield. Lockie Anderson. He's got 4, baby. Wow. Or has Tate McDermott had enough? Yes, he has. It's a near perfect half of rugby from Queensland. They lead the Drua here at Suncorp in awful conditions. 33 points to 0. Next Friday night, so 40 minutes of the year remain for the Drua. Hopefully they can string together some of their trademark offloads to get some decent scores on the board as Wilson goes back towards the 22. Well, now Canaveret rolls it out the back. Play on, penalty advantage, Barcelala. Looking to keep a clean sheet here, Queensland. And Canaveret fights through contact. Still there for Barcelala. Murray. Oh, that's a great put down. That's a score from Murray for sure. Now the chase is on. Raku. Oh, no.
No, he just got it wrong. Got the timing.
It's a dangerous tackle. Going for an off-field review. Tackle!
They lost Nasi for 10 early in the first half when the Reds went wild through that period. So'omangarel, and that's a great charge. Up to the 22. Lachlan Phillips on the wraparound. Fluke's out wide. All alone. Josh Fluke, welcome back. Thomas looks right. Back left. Picked off. Play on for Ryan, who gets swallowed up. It's really scrappy now for Gunu. Such is his strength. He almost gets through. In fact, he does, but he can't get it down, can he? Oh, yes, he can. He'll leave it there. Back it goes to Smith, who momentarily becomes the world's biggest scrum half. Anderson drops to the bottom of your screens. Good hands. Allen. Beautiful hands in the end. Febrile.
Well, that's the celebration of the moment.
Who popped that? Through it goes, the conversion. It's a big win in the end. It's massive for Queensland. Was it Ryan Smith? It was.